How to add admin on Facebook page on laptop. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook page. Here I have mine ready. Now in the left hand side we can see manage pages and profiles. So let's just scroll down a bit until we reach our settings. Now click on settings. And when you've clicked on settings, it will route us to our page settings basically. Now here in the left hand side, all we need to do is to scroll down a bit and we can see page roles. Click on that one. And in this area, you can see assign a new page role. Type in the name of the friend or the email address of the friend that you would like to make an admin of the page. So for example, I will type in my friend's name in here. And then next is click on this box and choose admin. Now let's have add, and for security purposes, input your password and hit on submit. Once done, you can see that we have a pending request for admin here. So we'll just wait for a friend to accept our invitation as an admin. That's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Bye!